Hey folks, today it's about time. Apple Watch time, that is. We've got the new Apple Watch Series 7 in the house, and that means it's time to pull it all out of the box and set it up for Mia. We've also got two of the new Apple Watch bands in the house to try, with the chalk pink Solo Loop and the Maize/White Sport Loop, as well as the dark cherry Sport band in the box. It's a little fiddly to get open when you're trying to do it on camera, but it's super easy to set up, especially if you're upgrading from an older Apple Watch. This year's Apple Watch takes the best features of the Series 6 and turns it up for the Series 7. Rather than revolutionise, Apple has strategised and fixed a few issues with the previous model. The new Apple Watch Series 7 has a bigger screen that goes right to the edge, a bigger battery, and faster charging. That's on top of everything the Series 6 had, like blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, and every other fitness activity tracking you could ask for. Here we have Mia's iPhone, which we'll be using for the pairing and setup process. Once you've got it out of the box, simply power on, wait for it to start up, and move your phone near the watch to start the process. Once you've matched the funky 3D code, you'll be greeted with an animation, followed by the setup process. We've shortened ours to make the video a little snappier, but it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to set up, especially if you're backing up from an older watch. I wanted to pause here and show you my 42mm Series 6 Apple Watch next to Mia's new 41mm Apple Watch Series 7. See how the screens are almost identical in size, but the actual case is much slimmer. I think that's why you'd want to upgrade to this new model. Ideally, I think the new Series 7 is pitched to people who are upgrading from much older Apple Watches, say the Series 2, 3, and 4. Series 7, however, feels like we're close to the final form of this particular design of Apple Watch. Subscribe for more content, give us a thumbs up if you liked it so more people can find us, and we'll see you in the next one.